Hello friends, Intel has again listed another opening for technical specialist role on their careers portal. So here are the details about that. So they are hiring for technical specialist role and the link is only valid for limited time, so you have to apply as soon as possible, and it is always good if you have a reference, right? So these are very general openings open to everybody, so if you do not apply early and if you do not have very good references, it is very difficult to get calls. But still I would suggest you to apply for this, and if your resume is very good, they will probably call you. So let's go through the details here. So here, as you can see, this is a blog on Amigos where I have formatted the blog that they already have posted. So this is for Bangalore location, and the salary in general should be more than 8.5 lakhs per annum, which is the standard of Intel, right, for off-campus opportunities. So what is the job description that they have? That what they have mentioned is that this is more of a infrastructure role. See, they build the infrastructure. So about the job description, they have mentioned that they build the infrastructure that allows other software engineers to quickly deploy, run and scale their softwares. Now they also plan, design, develop, test and modify software systems, right, focused on cloud service development. So this is more of a infrastructure management kind of a job, where you have to know coding skills also, as well as you should have some exposure to cloud computing. So let's see what are the qualifications. So degree in computer science, computer engineering, computer science, data sciences or a related science or engineering field. Electronics engineers may also apply, it seems, because they have not mentioned that only computer science engineers are allowed. So you can also apply for that. So this role requires a hands-on developer that can work in a multitude of technologies, right? So you have to have experience with multiple technologies. During your college days, you should have exposure to multiple softwares, and then only you should be able to apply for this. Right. Cloud technologies, exposure to AWS, Google Cloud System, virtualization, all these things are very essential, right? Including containers. What is containers? So if you've heard about Docker, so that is a container. So if you know about these things, that would be an added advantage. Virtualization that I mentioned earlier, databases. So setup of these things are important. If you have worked as a coder, probably you should have some exposure to this if you deployed your application. So this role also requires excellent programming skills in at least Python and Java. Why have they mentioned this? Because there are a lot of automation tools that you might have to develop in this particular role. So for that you need to have exposure to Python and Java, or Java, right? Generally Python is good enough. If you are good at Python, this should be good enough for you to clear this. Ability to work with front-end technologies like React, JavaScript will be a plus. You should, as students, we expect people to know React and JavaScript, all those things, which is now considered quite basic. Ability to work with deep learning algorithms, exposure to AIML, and if you have built some projects during your college on these, would also be an added advantage here. Understanding of operating system. So it is Intel, and Intel focuses on operating system in your interview, no matter what role you are going to appear for. So you should know operating systems. So concepts are mentioned here: processes, threads, networks, storage, memory. So go through the Galvin book which is there, and that should be good enough to crack that. Also, I'll be creating videos on operating system questions also, which are asked in most of these companies. So I hope that video will help you. I'll try to upload it within the next 10-15 days. The candidate must be able to demonstrate past experience of having created working software solutions. You should have projects. That is very important, that I mention every single time I appear in a video, that you should have exposure to building good projects, and you should have exposure to deploying it also. That will make you a holistic engineer in this sense, and you will have a lot more opportunities in your career. So candidate will work with end customers to demonstrate solutions. So you might have to work with customers also, interact with them, which happens in almost every role nowadays. Hence good written and communication, spoken communication will be very important. So here is the link. Just click on this and this URL will open. Alright. All those things are mentioned here also. It is of engineering category, and the job type is of college grad. This is the actual link, and what you have to do is click on apply. And this will take you to Workday. If you have earlier applied for any of the roles in Intel, this will be you won't have to create the same account again. Okay, so let this open, and since I already had an account, I'll just click here and click on sign in. After that, it is the general flow that you might have seen in previous videos also, if you have seen my previous videos. So you just have to upload your file, your resume here, which is, let's say that this is a good enough file. Upload the file. Ensure that this is TCS mentioned here. Ensure that you have a generic resume name with you. Okay, and then just click on next. Okay, then there are a lot of other things that you have to fill, right? Keep on applying. Try to fill all these details: address, city, postal code, family name, local given name is not required. These two are not very required. Other things are okay. Click on next. Then you can mention if you have any work experience. You can mention that also. If you worked as an intern somewhere, that will come in handy here. So try to add those things here. Okay. And job title, what was the job title, company, location, all those things. Try to mention all these things. This is long form, so you have to go through all these things and apply, and make sure that you try to fill all these data very properly, very correctly, and then just click on submit after that, next, and follow the process. You should be able to apply for this. One suggestion: how do you get calls from Intel? Is very difficult, right? It is quite difficult because there are a lot of people applying for the same opportunity. Try to find people on LinkedIn who are working at Intel and then ask them to refer you. Right. Once you submit this, ask them that you have got this application ID. If you have not got the application ID, then just tell them that this is the email ID through which I registered for this specific role. Right. Give them the URL of the opening. Right. Or take a snapshot of the opening and attach it, and tell them that I have applied for this. If you can refer me to the HR people, that would be really great, because they also get incentives for referring people. So they might, if they like your resume, they might refer you, and that will increase your chance to get calls, to a great extent, to a very good extent. So try to use these approaches. And also I'll be uploading similar videos later when I find campus opportunities and other companies. I'll still upload that. So all the best, keep applying, and try to apply for this as soon as possible, because I don't really know when the link will expire, right? So generally the previous opportunity that I had posted, the link got expired very, in just a few days. So try to apply as soon as possible. Make sure that your resume is good enough so that, if your resume is good, you will get calls, right? Not now, probably later. So keep on applying, and don't keep waiting after you apply, right? You apply and then move on to the next opportunity. Don't keep waiting for a call from a specific company. This I said for Infosys also, for TCS also. Your job is to apply everywhere, as many places as you can. It will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes to apply. If you get a call, that would be a win-win for everybody. If you don't get a call, then it's okay. Move on to other companies, right? Keep applying. One day you will get a call, and prepare yourself. Prepare for technical interviews, prepare for coding interviews, prepare for aptitude. You will just need one chance to get a call, right? And the moment you get that one chance, your responsibility is to clear that, right? You have to crack that only one interview call, and that is enough. I got a call from McAfee only once in about a year, and that was more than enough for me to clear that, right? So this is what I suggest everybody: prepare properly, and the moment you get a call, give it your 100%. You should be able to clear that. So all the best. If you have any doubts, feel free to message me and comment me below. Thanks a lot. All the best.